Alrighty, hello, welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe. We're getting right into it. My first step is I take the Cherry Almond Leave-In Conditioner by Aveda, run it all through my hair. From the roots to the ends. Then I use the Brilliant Damage Control by Aveda. It is said to help protect from thermal damage and breakage. And let me just make this clear. This is not a promo video. I'm not getting paid to talk about any of these products. These are just my products that I like to use on my hair. You'll see me taking my hair in sections to get ready for a blow dry. I use 4 parts, not as many parts, not the way you would generally see people section it in 4 parts. I split the top, and then the way I split my back is a little bit different than the way others split their back, because I split the back the way I want to blow dry my hair. So I'm using my Neem brush again and brushing it through, clamping my hair, and I'm about to realize I forgot a step, and I've already started this, and that's my Kendra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. I like this spray. It does help protect my hair, and it adds a bit of a sheen. Brushing it through with the Denman brush again, replacing my sections with my clamps. And I've seen other videos of people blow drying their hair for a silk press, and I didn't see many of them section their hair, but this is how I like to blow dry my hair, in sections. So here I'm working from the back of my hair, and I'm going to move all the way up to the front. I use a blow dryer with a comb attached, and the comb that's attached came with this blow dryer. The reason I point that out is because if you buy a blow dryer and then use that generic attachment, they don't tend to hold place very well. They come off, the teeth aren't as strong. This one that I have, it's a Hot Tools blow dryer, and it works well for me. So everything about this video is about me. Maybe I'm going to help somebody out showing you what I do for myself. I'm taking some Marula Oil, about 5 pumps. And let me tell you about this Marula Oil. I found this at Ulta Beauty, and it's pretty expensive. I found it, I think I paid like $5 for that bottle. Y'all, when I saw it, I was like, oh, let me get this right now. So you just noticed I had my blow dryer again, but it was on a cool setting. I noticed that my hair was a little bit damp, and I wanted to dry that up. And you know how sometimes your head might be a little bit steamy, so you don't know if it's damp or if it's sticky. So I just put it on a cool setting and cool my head off, and blow dry the rest of it on a cool setting. My flat iron is a Baby Bliss. It's sitting on 410 degrees. I like that setting. I had a flat iron before that allowed me to adjust my temperature. This is a digital one, and the only temperature settings is a 300, 340, 375, 410, and 450. So I only have 5 controls on this flat iron, but I stay at 410 degrees. Now, I've used it at 375 when I began to curl my hair before in the past, and my curls didn't last as long. They weren't as crisp. It's a preference for me. Like I said, this is me about how I like to do my hair. So 410 degrees is the setting that I use. I'm making sure I'm getting a really good application at the root of my hair. And let me point something out. I am not a hairstylist. not. That is not my day job. But I grew up the oldest of 5 children, as 3 girls, and we weren't rich and we couldn't afford to go to get our hair done. So you learn things that you have to learn because you want to look like somebody and make your hair look good. So you learn how to do your own hair is what I'm trying to say. Here I go with the Care styling wax stick. I'm getting those edges, girl, because you know everybody likes smooth edges. You want your edges really straight. At least I do. Here I go again with this eye. But I like my edges straight. And I at one point before the coronavirus, I was getting my hair done every other week. So I was sitting in the chair and I was taking notes. And I watched them do how they got my edges straight. And this is the technique that the stylist was using. So here I am. I am flattening those edges and I'm going around my head so that I get an even, cohesive look. I want all of them straightened from the front to the back. So you'll see me turn around here and I'm getting the nape. And this is the part that normally turns a little curlier before the rest of my hair because I wrap my hair at night. And when I wrap my hair prior to taking a shower, I wrap it, then I put my shower cap on, and that part in the back is always the part that seems to get a little damp. Here I'm in with the Lands of Healing Strength Neem Plant Silk Serum for my curls. About 2 pumps of that rubbed all over my hair. And here I'm in here getting these curls together. I take not as small sections as I did to straighten it, but a little bit more hair to get this curl. My hair does not hold curls well, so I have to curl my hair tighter so that my curls will hold. And I mean hold until the end of the week because I want this look to last until the end of the week. Really, my hair will look like a really bodied flat iron into week 2. I can go 2 weeks, and generally I do because by week and a half point, I put it up in a high bun so that I don't put heat on my hair again. So this flat iron is it. I am not going in the rest of the week or into the second week putting heat on my hair again. This is the end all be all for the heat for me. If I have to put heat on my hair again, I am re-washing my hair. And every time I wash my hair, I use a deep conditioner because I want to make sure that my hair stays moisturized and it's healthy. During this time, during the coronavirus, I've been trying to make sure that my hair stays healthy so that I don't have a lot of breakage or my hair is falling out. I do have a little bit of shedding, but I mean, you got to deal with something. But I have enough hair on my head to where I can have a shedding and still maintain all this hair. I'm fingering combing it and I'm swinging it because I like the way it looks. It is beautiful. My color looks good. It feels great. I'm not getting tangles on the end because I came all the way to the end with my curls. It looks great. I'm shaking it. Ooh, girl, shake that hair. You worked hard for it. It looks great. I love it. Thank you all for joining me today on my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like it. If you don't like it, subscribe anyway, because guess what? Your big sister is going to be coming to you with more videos and helping you out because we all want to look beautiful during the coronavirus. Bye.